Welcome to the EA Inner Circle. I'm Dr. Tony Huge, and my life has been dedicated to finding shortcuts, the shortest route from point A to point B, which means setting goals and obtaining them as fast as possible using science. Some people call it cheating. I call it innovation and the future of human biology and chemistry. When we apply this to bodybuilding, that means building muscle as fast as possible, burning fat as fast as possible, as healthfully as possible, and maintaining a low maintenance physique to where our body becomes an asset, not a liability, where we can maintain our conditioning much easier in the future. Most people are not able to attain these things because they're taking the slow traditional approaches from 30 years ago. The EA is about researching and developing and experimenting the future of human biology and chemistry. Namely, when it comes to bodybuilding, the anabolic matrix theory and muscle hyperplasia, the development of new muscle cells. The anabolic matrix theory shows the different growth pathways that impact muscle growth the most. And by combining either lifestyle, diet, supplementation, pharmaceuticals, and training to these different pathways properly and in synergy, we can have the fastest results possible. Muscle hyperplasia means building new muscle cells instead of just inflating our old muscle cells, called hypertrophy. You've probably heard the word hypertrophy before, but you probably haven't heard the word hyperplasia before. Hyperplasia is our goal: permanent new muscle cells where our body becomes less high maintenance, where it's easier to maintain muscle over the long term. Inside the PED program in Inner Circle, you get a custom cycle that uses the anabolic matrix theory and hyperplasia to build new muscle cells. You also get access to the Facebook group, custom meal plan, and workout plan to go along with the cycle. When you log in, you'll find the questionnaire. That's going to give us the information to build your custom cycle. Then me or one of the coaches in Inner Circle will recommend the cycle to you, the meal plan, and the workout plan. After you receive your custom workout program, cycle, and meal program, you can ask us any questions you have, and you can also request videos to be done on topics that you are more curious about. You get access to the sources that we actually use, that we have HPLC tested and experimented on with ourselves, and we've negotiated discounts with the sources for you. The discounts with the sources alone will more than pay for the program. To my natural friends, I'm not trying to convince you to become unnatural, but you have to understand that everything in our modern day and age is unnatural. It's my philosophy that by taking something unnatural that's good for my health, or that allows me to meet my goals and achieve a higher quality of life, I'm actually offsetting the unnatural things that are being done to my body all the time by heavy metals, GMO, pesticides, unnatural light, and many other things in modern day and age that's affecting our body in a negative way. So my philosophy is, why not use the chemistry that's actually healthy and decide whether to use something not based on whether it's natural or not, but whether or not the benefits outweigh the risks in attaining my specific goals. If this is your first cycle, it can be a little bit intimidating to do things like injections. And I had to learn the hard way through trial and error. Wish I would have known back then what I know now, but you can, because I've included videos on how to do all of the basic things regarding injections and do everything safely so that you don't have to go through the difficulty I did when I started. Even you more experienced bodybuilders find how much faster muscle can actually be built than previously thought by using things beyond just the anabolics, by addressing the other growth pathways like the growth hormone, the insulin, the inflammation, and the myostatin. We use synergy across these different growth pathways to grow muscle as fast as humanly possible in customized cycles based on each individual's risk tolerance, goals, and tolerances, and susceptibility to side effects. So to get access to the custom cycle, meal plan, workout program, Facebook group, other resources, ability to request videos and information, and the sources, so all the knowledge plus the sources to build the ultimate physique, click and join below.